Hey guys, welcome back to JKM Tech and Hustle. This is Vanessa. In this video, I will guide you through the process on how to consolidate or merging of your Pag-IBIG contributions. Are you thinking or are you in the process of applying for salary loan, housing loan, or any other loans with Pag-IBIG, or as well as preparing for future benefit claims, only to discover that there are missing or unposted contributions in your Pag-IBIG records? Curious about the Pag-IBIG consolidation requirements? You can start by going to the link provided in the description box below. So just simply click on this link and then you just look for the HQP PFF093 form. So this one. So once you're here in this form, you just click on this PDF icon. Click this to download. And then you will be redirected into this form. So this is, you can download and then print this form and then fill it up. So this is the code HQPPFF093, and the rest of the needed requirements is this. So let's go ahead and zoom it out. So here's the detailed requirements. So you have to, first is the form, the HQP form original. You have to fill this up and then bring valid ID, photocopy it, and uh, screenshot, or you log into your SSS portal and then screenshot it and photocopy the list of contribution and the part where your uh, previous employer shows up. And then if you'll be asking for a representative to do this, then you need to issue an authorization letter and ID for your representative. So one ID from you and one ID for the authorized representative, and photocopies. Just bring the original one so they can check it, but they're not going to take it. So yes, that's all the requirements that is needed. So you need to fill this up, Pag-IBIG number, your name, full name, date of birth, uh, if you're single, your status, your contact number, email address, and then this portion, and then this, you have to list down the history of your employers, and then this portion, your signature over printed name, and then date. And then once you have filled this up, then you're good to go and visit the nearest Pag-IBIG branch. Please take note, you have to fill it up in black capital letters. So once you have completely filled up the form, you are now ready to visit the nearest Pag-IBIG branch. And another thing to note, the SSS part that you need to print is take a screenshot and get this your employment history. So to get the employment history is you just log into SSS portal and go to members, then employment history, and then this is what you need to print out. This portion, they need to see the list of companies you have worked for and the dates you were working with them. And another portion that you need to print is where you have the breakdown of the contributions that was made, and you have to note down which contributions, what month were missing. And then to give you a guide of how it would look like, so this is what I filled up, and then signature, and then once you submit it, they're gonna stamp it here, and then it will take 5 to 7 working days for this to reflect and show in your account. Then you can go ahead and log into Pag-IBIG portal to double check and see if it's posted. So after 5 to 7 working days, I just keep on checking the Pag-IBIG portal to see and check if the missing contributions are already consolidated, and then I just go ahead and uh, click on the year you were employed at the company. So I type in 2016 and click view contributions, and it's here. You see call phone is now posted. This was the missing contributions that I was filing for consolidation. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process on how to consolidate or merge your Pag-IBIG contributions. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next session. Bye bye.